this video, you'll be looking at a 1,000-year-old ancient city, 4,000-meter snow peaks, and water so blue, it doesn't even look real. This city is easily one of the most stunning and chaotic places I've ever explored. Welcome to Lijiang. Good afternoon from Lijiang, everyone. I took a bullet train from Dali and it took about 2 hours to reach here. After reaching Lijiang, I didn't feel like doing anything today. My body just kind of gave up. I decided to take a rest, just walked around my hotel, looked for lunch options. I didn't take my camera with me, just started walking and enjoying the meal. For lunch today, I had yak meat. It was stir-fried yak with wooden rice. It was very gooey. It had some mushrooms in it. It was savory. It was a good lunch, I would say. I guess I'll probably just use this e-bike and head towards the main tourist hub, Yulong Xue Shan, and Lijiang ancient town. Let's see what's in store for us. What you basically have to do is use your Alipay app. You just scan the QR code right here.
Hello.
Okay, so it's done. So they basically charge you based on the duration and the distance covered. Lijiang, a prefecture-level city in the northwest of Yunnan province, is a town with a history going back more than 1,000 years. This city was once a confluence for trade along the old Tea-Horse Caravan Trail. Lijiang Old Town was named UNESCO World Heritage Site. The town's architecture is a remarkable blend of building styles from the Naxi, Han, Bai, and Tibetan cultures, which adapted over centuries to fit the uneven, mountainous terrain. Lijiang features a complex, ancient water supply system fed by the glaciers of Jade Dragon Snow Mountain that is still functioning today. It is loud, it is commercialized, and it's undeniably vibrant. You might not find many locals living here anymore, but the energy the world brings to these 1,000-year-old streets is something you have to experience. Every corner seems to have its own soundtrack. This neon-lit nightlife highlights the town's modern reality. What used to be quiet, traditional residential spaces for the Naxi people are now the epicenters of tourism and commercial energy. Good morning, guys. Today is the day I hike a mountain for the first time, and I couldn't be more excited. We are going to the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. I'll show you along the way the places I visit. I have booked a tour with a local tour company from Trip. I've been asked to stand at that intersection at 7:35. It's almost 7:30. I am just in time today. Cannot begin to tell you how excited I am for this hike. I hope everything goes well. See you in the mountains. So I'm supposed to be looking for a PY 1470 plate number. My driver has informed me they'll be here shortly. So I've booked this trip using trip.com. Trip.com mainly works as a platform here. They connect you with a local tour company. So basically you have to coordinate with the locals via WeChat, and they do not text you in English. You have to use the auto translation feature of WeChat. So that is exactly what we're doing right now. I think my car has arrived. This you?
Oh,
你好. Where do I sit?
上车 Right, yes.
Ah, okay. 你好. Good morning. Hello.
你不讲中文吗？
Yeah? Do I put the bag behind?
上车，摆杯子的了。
Already see the mountain peaks. This is where we're going today. Looks like we have arrived at the ticket counter. This already looks stunning. This is the group I'm traveling with. So she's telling us to inhale through the nose and not through the mouth. Yeah. For 7 seconds. Okay. So those are some oral solutions for altitude sickness prevention. We're heading towards the cable car. We will now go to.
We now go to the entrance gate, and then we take the the grab car.
Okay. We're going to the entrance gate.
Yeah, entrance gate.
Yeah. Thank you. Compared to these guys, I've taken a very heavy bag and he's very uncomfortable about it. He's trying to help me all the way possible. What is your name, sir?
拍照片。
张建国? Okay. So, what did you say your name was?
Catherine.
Kesari?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's your name? Your name?
a beautiful name. My name is Rito Nobi. Rito, yeah, you can call me Rito. So I guess we're going to Yulong Xue Shan. This one now? This one.
我是从昨天晚上开始就开始夹了。
We don't go to the mountain actually. We just
Okay.
go to the village and the Yunshanping在哪？
Okay. So we go to like 3 places?
2 places.
Okay. So we're not going to the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain top because you have to at least book tickets 3 days before, right?
Yeah.
3 days.
2 days before. Yeah.
Yeah, I booked only yesterday, so there were no vacancies.
No ticket.
Yeah, no ticket. Cable car is here. We just have to get in real quick. I must say it's a little uncomfortable with all the luggage I have. Here we are. Here we go.
它就有一段快，要爬坡的时候快，现在就不想。这个镜头美呀，拍一边不能拍就算了。要微博给。
So from the itinerary that they shared with me on trip.com, they certainly made some adjustments. Yeah, following you. I'm always lagging behind for the vlog, so they're always rushing me to follow them. So anyways, I'm not sure where we are at the moment because they have made quite a few adjustments, and since everything is written on Chinese, I cannot quite tell where we're going. That looks like some alpine forest we're going through, and it's packed with tourists. I barely got any room to take a picture with the mountain on the background. I don't know where we're going, but I'm just following my tour members.
Our next destination was the Spruce Meadow. We took one of the park's official shuttle buses. It's a pretty common setup in Chinese national parks if you wish to skip the long trek. I actually expected we'd be hiking our way up, but the tour itinerary had other ideas, which was a bit of a bummer for me because I came prepared for a hike and I was mentally very excited for it. If you're looking to do the trekking, make sure to confirm beforehand with the tour operators or just come by yourself.
And we have finally arrived. Again, I think this is the Spruce Meadow, and behind me is the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. We are currently at 3,240 meters above sea level.
As you approach the range, you quickly realize why it carries its name. The 13 jagged, snow-capped peaks stretch across the horizon that looks remarkably like a giant white jade dragon resting. This open plateau, surrounded by spruce trees, is called the Spruce Meadow, or Yunshanping. In local Naxi lore, this sacred meadow holds a deeply tragic story. Centuries ago, when arranged marriages controlled society, young lovers forbidden to be together would escape into these dense forests. Legend has it that a couple fled to this very meadow to end their lives together. They believed that their souls would enter a mythical realm right beneath the snow peak, where they could live in eternal love. It was time to say goodbye to the meadow and get to Blue Moon Valley, but before that, I needed to recharge myself.
It's okay, Catherine.
Funny story. As we were boarding the cable car, these two ladies tried to brush me off and squeeze inside. They almost separated me from my group, but I somehow got in at the last minute. And Catherine became absolutely furious with them. Now, I don't know what they were talking about, but finding a non-Chinese speaking foreigner would surely have been a great hassle for them.
That's a proper chaos. It's okay.
But don't worry, it didn't take us long to bond over a Fujifilm camera. stepping into the Blue Moon Valley, I was completely speechless. Pictures and videos genuinely don't do this place justice. The water has an electric, almost unreal turquoise glow that looks completely edited to the naked eye. What makes this valley so special is the science behind it. The water flows directly from the melting glaciers of the mountain. As it rushes down, it carries heavy copper, limestone, and glacial silt. On a clear, sunny day, those minerals absorb the light and refract this deep, brilliant blue. In Naxi culture, this water is considered sacred, a symbol of pure, unyielding love. You'll see a lot of couples taking their wedding pictures here. Honestly, this was hands down the best part of my trip so far. Standing right here, looking at this view, every bit of hassle, every inconvenience faced felt completely worth it. If you ever make the trip to Yunnan, do not skip this place. It is, without a doubt, one of the most stunning places in all of China.
Hello everyone, currently sitting at Blue Moon Valley. The tour did not pan out the way I expected it. And this is the thing with group tours. We're a group of 6 people. I don't think we traveled according to the itinerary. Although it was written in the itinerary list of trip.com that would be visiting Yak Meadow, I don't think we visited that. I've only been to one valley-like place right below the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. I believe it was Spruce Valley. Afterwards, we took lunch and came straight down to Blue Moon Valley. So I don't think we're gonna go to any other valleys like the Yak Meadow or the other stuff that were listed. I don't even remember the names. But certainly a little disappointed. I guess this is what you get with group tours. We'll take the L. So yeah, it is what it is. I enjoyed the view, can't complain. Gotta stay positive, right?
We wrapped up the day around a steaming local hot pot. And trust me when I say this is the best hot pot experience I've ever had. A big shout out to my travel buddies, their warmth, their endless patience with my questionable chopstick skills, and the genuine hospitality they've shown me made this day truly unforgettable. Moments like this are what traveling is all about. If you enjoyed this journey so far, consider subscribing to the channel to catch the next chapters of my Yunnan adventures. I've been Rid Tonobi, and thank you so much for watching.